We're here in Peru, Cusco, day before our Salkantay trek. Need to pack. We're out for 5 days, going to 4,800 meters elevation. We're already at 3,300, so you can feel it. But let's check out the gear.
Luckily, the way we travel around the world is like we're camping. We've got camera gear, 2 types of coats, outdoor clothes, and most importantly, dry bags to put our things in.
It's happening.
And so it begins.
Welcome to our dome. Shade on to keep the sun out. Oh yeah, look at that. Awesome. Just finished a 300-meter ascent. We're at 4,200 meters. Great training day for tomorrow. It's a very sacred place. It's become very popular. You can see a hut behind me. They just started offering a day trip from Cusco, so there's tons of groups here. Nevertheless, gorgeous sight. Wish the clouds weren't in so much, but hey, it's not raining. I must say, the dome last night was excellent. I saw the biggest shooting star. You could see the stars. It was a little fuzzy, but amazing. Love these things. Tingly hands, tingly feet, and even I had tingly cheeks from the altitude. That's totally normal and totally fun. Give them a shake. It gets better. A remote outpost. Snacks, water, everything you need. No shop would be complete without rum. 6 of 7 snakes. Here it is. Way more than 7 bits, but I guess snakes have bends and curves to them, so what can you do? It's beautiful here. Let it go. Beautiful it is. Made the pass the highest point on our trek. Oxygen pretty low here. Just gotta take it easy. Not get your heart rate up too much. Tingly fingers, that's cool. Check it out. just terrible.
Yeah, because
This is the whole issue. Is as this place gets more popular, there's just going to be more garbage. It's just such a shame. It's a beautiful place. Ah, coconut.
Oh, yum. That's amazing.
This is like the
Yours is
best.
the best.
This just in. We're at 3,900 meters. We have 1,200 more to go down. I'm getting tired. Not cardiovascularly anymore, but just straight fatigued. Cecily's knees are acting up. Going down is a difficult journey. Now you gotta prepare for it. Use your poles. Onward. Lunchtime. We've got a few more hours, at least 900 meters descent. But if you notice, the terrain is now changing. We're getting out of the alpine and into the jungle. So very exciting, but I'm not looking forward to mosquitoes.
It's a Peruvian food, papa, potato.
Yeah.
Huancaína is the salsa. Sometimes it's a little bit spicy, but now no.
Welcome to the jungle with weird bugs that bite. Leave a big chunk that bleeds. Time to put on mosquito spray. Jungle camp. Pretty exciting actually. Feels nice. The air is more dense here. It's warm. There she is. Have you ever seen something like that? Jeez. Let's check out what's in today's back pocket. Would you look at all this garbage that I found on the trail?
Hello.
What do you have here?
Welcome to another sumptuous breakfast. We have fried eggs wrapped around plantains. Fried plantains, obviously. We have a wonderful kind of potato-like pancake. Coffee, hot. Assorted baked goods. Coldish toast. And some juice. I don't know what. Can you imagine? Look at this. This is we're eating like kings.
As soon as we got out of the highlands into the jungle, allergies hit. This morning they're especially bad, or probably because I've been playing aggressively with the dog. Nevertheless, remember, bring your allergy meds. There's camp. Look at how gorgeous this is. Hey, look, it's the men in black stretching. We just walked by like a avocado tree and I was like, whoa, get on my toes, man. Yesterday we had a surprise easy day. We did 12 kilometers of the 18. We had a car take us to this place where we saw a coffee roasting process. That was quite interesting. Super mellow day. Enjoyed it. Look at that.
It's easier to hike up at this elevation. It's a big difference.
Giver of modern life, the coffee tree. We're here. What? We're here. I would just like to thank Mr. Pringle for making it to what seems like all corners of the earth. Fresh, nice pop of the Pringles chip. Dependable, always crunchy. With her hubby.
Aw, my hubby. I like that. Feels like you're swinging. It really feels like you're swinging to a mountain.
To you folks in 2D land, this is how steep the farms are. It's crazy. Can you believe that? It's a bit dangerous. Flattens out a little bit down there, but this is like straight up. Sweaty. I saw it peek through. Oh my gosh. It's all gonna come into view. It's all gonna come into view. Oh my gosh, there it is. Made it to the river after another crazy delicious lunch and like an endless supply of passion fruit juice. Quick tip for all of y'all: if you're real tired after the up and down, take the train. Turns out from where the train starts, it's 12 kilometers, 3 hours. Now we gotta walk an extra 15 minutes to our hotel. But that's alright, you know, it's another 15 minutes. Everything's numb anyway. Exactly a 10-hour day. 7:30 to 5:30. Is this thing? How does it work? How are we going up without using any energy? I don't know. Well, I'd like to thank PepsiCo. It's 4:50 a.m. and we're headed to the bus terminal. Get up to Machu Picchu.
So many
We
lakes.
call it 1,000 feet.
Too many lakes.
No, it's nothing.
Hey, I'm walking here. I'm walking here. You're walking here? Did you see its leg go up when I was scratching it?
Yeah.
Like a doggy.
So ends a breathtaking hike in the Andes Mountains. Just made it before the rains came in, filled with learning, physical endurance, and now we're headed to Chaullay Luna for a honeymoon retreat.
Oh yeah.
Are you filming?
It's the mad dash. Huge chapter comes to a conclusion. We're heading back to Canada for Christmas, and we've stockpiled up on tons of stuff from Peru, and we just don't know if we're gonna make it. It's a miracle.
I don't want to say bye. This is the best place. If anyone's looking for a honeymoon spot, go to Chaullay Luna.